Today in this video we'll see how you can use snipping tool on your MacBook. So let's get started. So you might have like if you are a regular user of Windows, then you would be aware that there is a tool called snipping tool which helps you in taking a snip of a particular, like this which I have selected. If that snip you want to take, not the whole screenshot, then that snipping tool allows you to do that. So we have a similar kind of tool in Mac, but it's not any software. You have to click Control Shift 4, numeric key 4, and then the snipping tool turns on. Sorry, not control, Command Shift 4, and you can see the icon changed. It changed from mouse to a pointer kind of thing. So now if I select it, the selected portion will be taken as snap. You see there's a screenshot selected. I'll just open it. So you can see I've just taken a small snippet. Let's do it again. Command Shift 4, and I'll just take screenshot of these screenshots. You can see. So this way you can use snipping tool on your MacBook. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other tech or money management queries, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you with a video. Bye. Have a nice day.
You say you wanna try, but you never